Welcome to Phone Swap. It's a super awkward dating show.
Hi.
Hello. What's your name?
Nandini. What's yours?
Anmol.
He's cute. I like his hair.
You look good.
You too.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Anmol. Currently, I'm working for my dad's company. Apart from that, I'm just trying to chill, trying to have fun.
Hi, my name is Nandini. I'm a makeup artist. I'm looking out for somebody with a lot of sense of humor, somebody who can make me laugh.
How old am I? I mean, it's a blind date. I could be a 44-year-old. अगर बंदी नहीं है तो it's not fun because that's probably the only quality you need. My mom, she wants me to get married. Like,
Yeah, me too.
No, I'm kidding. My mom never said that.
See, first lie caught.
Now, the moment of truth. We just let them know they have to trade phones.
Is this for real?
No.
That's lit.
No.
Let's do this. I'm so hyped.
No. Really? It came like a heart attack to me because I've never given my phone to anybody.
शायद अगर कैमरा रोल में जाएगी तो स्कैंडलाइज हो सकती है, बट किसका कैमरा रोल स्कैंडलाइज नहीं होता.
The worst thing he can find, inappropriate pictures.
I'm quite excited to snoop through a phone. There you go.
After snooping through their phones, these two will get to decide if they actually want a second date.
Oh,
First thing I noticed right off the bat, she has a sleep mode on, which I do as well, so that's good. You don't want notifications disturbing you. Let's go to something spicier. Let's check out Instagram. Left her on red. That's nice.
I left him on red, excuse me.
She's kinda ignoring the dude. I really can't find anything damn spicy here. I think you should have some dudes you're trying to string on.
It's not compulsory to have dudes, right, in your life?
Let's check out her photo gallery.
No!
Selfies. What are those? Let's see her favorites. Oh my god, she has 1,000 favorites. The only thing that should go to your favorites is the actual favorites.
He's so mean.
Let's actually check out her history.
Oopsie! In the office. Under the table.
I used to think that girls don't and girls don't watch porn, but
Oh my god.
why would she not use private browsing?
I'm so dumb. This was embarrassing.
This was a good time.
I'll just open his gallery now.
Okay, wow, this is gonna be a little up, but let's see. Me, my slutty selfies around.
He has a few trial room pictures.
Don't go to my photos, please.
Yeah, with a lot of biceps and triceps and six-pack abs.
This is kind of embarrassing.
The way he looks and talks, I think I would be a little insecure. I wouldn't lie.
That's lit.
Is it time for Instagram yet?
Yeah. Bro.
Come on, ma'am, I can see his leg.
He's really funny also. See, he's got a great sense of humor.
Damn.
Really hot after gym selfie.
Yeah, I guess it is.
And there's more. He's just making love to that girl and how?
Oh my god.
On chats.
That's really intrusive.
I'm just opening his notes.
What the
He's made notes of what his girl likes.
Who does it? You gotta be smart with it.
She loves flowers. She loves Nutella. And she'll do kinky with it.
Let's go. Yes.
I've almost checked everything, so I think I'm satisfied.
We passed the test. I think you could have found some more if you went slightly more open on my photos.
My favorites ka photo super.
What
I was
have I-
petrified. I was like,
Then I missed out on an opportunity. Yeah,
but
like,
are you dating?
I would say I'm in the starting phases. Haven't started dating yet, but yeah. Are you disappointed?
No, not really. Like, where would I be?
So, do they want a second date? It's time to trade back phones and find out.
He said, yes, trying to catch some Bombay vibes with her.
It's a no. Because he's in a thing with another girl. Well, that's a valid reason.
Yeah, like, why to hurt her? My biggest reason for saying no is he's already in a thing with another girl, and I'm really afraid of being cheated on. So, it's a very, very big no for me.